Okay, we start in this part. Okay.
Cedar. Stacy and Penny are best friends, so they do almost everything together. They're in the same class, play on the same soccer team, and like the same movies and books. And they always go shopping together, so they even wear the same clothes. Both girls have dark hair and glasses. Between their clothes, hair, and glasses, Stacy and Penny look almost like twins. Every night, the girls call each other to plan outfits for the next day. Last Thursday was no different. Stacy called Penny. "Hey Penny, have you decided what we should wear to school yet?" she asked. "I just found my polka dot blouse. It was lost in my closet," Penny said. "Let's wear those." Stacy agreed, and they said goodnight. The next day, Stacy and Penny met at school, both wearing their polka dot blouses. They were walking to class when they saw Bobby Lewis, the meanest kid in school. "Oh, look at Stacy Pooh and Pen Pen wearing their cute polka dot blouses," he sneered. Bobby chuckled when Stacy and Penny turned red. "Those are the worst blouses I have ever seen, and two of them," Bobby continued. "But I guess they're better than those flower skirts you wore yesterday. Do you two plan your bad outfits or something?" To make matters worse, when Stacy and Penny got to class, their teacher looked at Penny and said, "Stacy, you've forgotten your last two homework assignments. You know that means lunchtime detention." "But Mrs. Klein, I'm Penny," Penny cried. "What? Don't be silly. You're Stacy," Mrs. Klein said. Stacy spoke up. "I'm Stacy." Mrs. Klein looked at the girls closely. "Well, I can't tell you apart, so you can both have lunch."
Okay, this is the second time, okay? Stacy and Penny, they are they are friends. And they do everything together. Almost everything together. For example, she sleep, she sleep. She play, she play. Yes, she eats banana, she eats banana. They do everything together. They are in the same class. Play the same soccer team. For example, football, football, basketball, basketball. Yes, the same soccer team. They like the same movies. I don't know any movie. Avengers and books. The same. They always go shopping together. Go to the mall to shop. Shopping, comprar. Go shopping together. Juntas. Always. And they wear, usar ropa, vestir, the same clothes. This is one cloth and this is other cloth. Both girls have dark hair, dark hair, dark hair, and glasses. She wears glasses and she wears glasses too. Between their clothes, hair, and glasses, Stacy and Penny look almost like twins. Parecen gemelas because the hair, the glasses, and the clothes. Every night The girl called ring to the other to plan what outfits for the next day. Yes? Se preguntan qué van a utilizar. Last Thursday was no different. Monday, she called the other, and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday was no different. Stacy called Penny. Stacy called Penny. Hey, Penny. And then she asked, have you decided? ¿Ha usted decidido? Present perfect. Have you decided what we should wear to school yet? She asked. I have just found. Yo he encontrado, justamente he encontrado, presente perfecto, my polka dot blouse. Dot es esto, dot. Blouse is that. I was lost in my closet, Penny said. Yes, lost. La había perdido. I was lost. Let's wear that. Let's wear that. Imagine for Friday, she will wear this. Stacy agree. De acuerdo, agree. And they say good night. The next day, Stephen and Spencer met at the school. The boat. Okay, wait for me. The boy said, "Oh, you are wearing the same blouses." The dot with dot. And Bobby saw them. This bad boy in the school. Y empezó a burlarse de ellas. Yes. Stacy put a pen. Okay. A burlarse. He said that body, okay, went and she turned red color. Shine, ¿estuvieron? Apenadas, shine, turned red. Those are the worst blouses I have ever seen. Mira, estas son las peores blusas. Presente perfecto, vuelve a mencionarse aquí. I have ever seen. Que yo he visto. And two of them body continue. And the rest, the better the flower skirts. The flower skirts, the skirts you wore yesterday. Se burla de todo lo que ellas están vistiendo, ¿ok? Do you two plans your bad outfit or something? ¿Cómo? ¿Están planeando utilizar lo peor o algo así? He asked. They went to the class. Yes, and the teacher looked at Penny and said, "Look at Penny," and say, "Look and Penny." Stacy, you had forgotten your last homework, yes? And she said that she forgot the homework. And you know that means lunchtime detention, o sea que se queda sin descanso, porque olvidó su tarea. Pero le está diciendo a Penny, le está diciendo a Stacy. Y ella dice, but Mr. Klein, I am Penny. Penny cried. What? You be silly? And she said, Stacy spoke up. I'm Stacy. Yes, I am Stacy. And she said, I am Penny. I am Stacy. And Mr. Klein looked at the girl closely. Look there. Well, you can tell you have time and both, ahora no solamente una, sino both, two, have lunchtime detention. And Penny said, oh, this has been the worst day, okay, the worst day. Y propone, maybe, tal vez, we shouldn't, no deberíamos, wear the same clothes anymore, no más, the same clothes. Maybe you are right, Stacy replied. Sí, ella dice, maybe, tal vez, estás en lo correcto. That weekend, the mother asked the girls, asked the mother that she can go to the shopping separately for the first time. Cada una va a ir a comprar por separado. Okay, my student, this is the activity for today, and continue in the next class with the story. Bye.